Hey there folks, this is Dale Adams back for another video. And welcome to some more Super Kitties Super Wild, and boy do I got some news for you today. So just today, after weeks of name predictions and debate, we finally have a confirmation for the name of the Wildcat from Super Wild. Before I reveal what her name is, this comes from an article on the Just Play website showing new Super Kitties Super Wild plush toys. I will put a link in the description if you want to go check it out. And if you take a look at one of the images, the most important thing to take from this is the name of the new cat. And surprised absolutely no one, the name of the female wildcat is Willa. So there you have it, finally settled, for good. Willa will be voiced by Thea Gallagher. One don't know who she is, but we will find out when Season 3 drops this fall. And of course, a new season of Super Kitties Super Adventures comes on Friday, August 8th, on Disney+. And if you want to take a look at more new toys, check out the Just Play website. That's all I have for now. I apologize for this video being short than the others, but other than telling you the official Wildcat name, there's nothing else more to talk about. Anyways, leave a comment down below what you think of the new Wildcat's name being Willa, and what do you think of Season 3 details so far. Thank you all for watching. And until next time, I'll talk to you all later.